Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jenna Gabrielle. Nice to meet you. Today we are working on Project Sapphire. I'm going to be changing the coil, so let's get on into it. Alright, so let me show you what we'll be working on. This right here is our coil. I'm going to be taking that off right now and replacing it with a brand new coil. I'll be using a 5.5 millimeter ratchet. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the 4 bolts holding the coil. Okay, so update, I was too short to reach it and take it off, so I hopped up here so I get a better grasp on things. With my hand now, I'm just taking out the screws. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and release this clip right here. I'm gonna take a screwdriver and kind of pry it up just because it's a lot easier. Alrighty guys, then once you get that clip pulled up, you're just gonna pull this plug out like so, and then you should be able to take out your coil. Voila! Now let's put the new one in. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've kind of maneuvered myself into more of a workable, comfortable position. Inside this box, we have our brand new coil. Set that there and throw it away later. So pretty much this is gonna go in exactly how we took it out. Just reverse the program. So come on in and I'll show you. What we're gonna do is just slide this bad boy in like so. Then you're gonna take each of your bolts or your screws. You'll put them into place. It's very important that when you take screws out, you put them in a safe spot, otherwise you are definitely going to lose them. And I have such a bad habit of doing that. My dad knows. He's the one filming, so. I'm just going to hand tighten these in. It's all pretty much common knowledge, but. And then once I get these hand tight, we're going to take our ratchet with the 5.5 millimeter socket. That is metric. And we'll just go ahead and hit the reverse here and tighten them on in. Okay, so now we're going to take the plug that we took out and we're simply going to put it back in so it snaps. My plug is broken though, so yeah, that's good. Then we are going to take our coil wire, and as you can see it has 2 snaps right here, which will come in here, press up against here, and clip it into place. It's really simple. Boom! And that's how you put in a coil.